Всех приветствую на канале Оригами Бро. В этом видео вы узнаете, как сделать рыбу из бумаги. Вырезаем квадрат из бумаги.
Deep down, I know I'm a fighter. Deep down, I know my desires. Everybody thinks that I'm just a liar. They don't know what I got inside ya. I'm not one to fight fire with fire. I'm the type who never lets me get tired. Mess with me and they never will find ya. Yeah, people tell me I won't get it. They don't know me cause I'm cold winning. Always in the night, thought closing. It's always in my mind, don't know quitting.
Намечаем две диагональные линии в квадрате.
I'ma be the one that knows my mission. You gon' be the one with no ambition. I'ma make you take it all back. You ain't never gonna get me, man, I'm too fast. Call me the juice, that 40-yard dash. Always look forward, no, never look back. I just spit the truth, better listen to my facts. Get me up in the booth and I put them on a blast. When I spit the truth, they all listen to the rap. Got nothing to lose, so I put the pen in the pad.
Складываем 4 угла к центру квадрата.
Everybody knows that's a fact. Yeah, I just want my words to impact. Yeah, I just want my words to all last. Yeah, not sorry if I put you on blast. They know just what they see.
Переворачиваем фигурку на другую сторону. Сделайте складки, как показано на видео. Отгибаем два противоположных угла в центре фигурки. Складываем фигурку пополам. Вытягиваем наружу два внутренних угла.
Can't escape from these thoughts and these assholes. Too many people feeling entitled. Too many people staying idle. Man, I work every day for the title, and I'ma get it, that thought is final. The way I think you could say is primal. Kill it, be killed, I'm your rival. I don't lose, no. I'ma be the one they choose, though. You gon' be the one they lose, though. Way too busy hitting snooze, bro. I'ma be the one to rise up in it. Never gonna fall, I fight till I get it. Always stand tall, got pride, I'm grinning. I don't really think I'll ever find my limit. And I know that they all wanna hate me, but they see me on the climb, so they wait, see. If I make it, then they just might say, B, you been doing so good, brother, can't leave. I don't wanna hear your words on the fake shit. Now I want my day, wanted to be patient. All the same people never been complacent.
Рыба готова. Осталось научить ее плавать. Всем спасибо за просмотр. Обязательно подписывайтесь, ставьте лайки, а также пишите в комментариях, какие оригами мне еще сделать. Всем удачи и пока! If you knew what I could do, you'd watch your backside. If you knew what I could do, you'd stay in at night.